Hello guys, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So from the previous video, we were at Mwale Medical and Technology City. So I want to give you guys a tour of the city and just show you how beautiful, how magnificent this place is. But before I blow your mind about this city, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to like this video if you enjoy it, and let's get started. So Mwale city is split into 5 districts. That is the east, which is the industrial district that hosts the 10 megawatt solar power plant, the plaza district, which has the supermarket, the cafe, bed and breakfast, hospital, innovation park, which I am showing you at the moment. This is the supermarket that has basically every basic essential that the locals or the people living in the city need. So these are items that they grow and bring to this market to sell so that the others can buy and use. And you can see they have every essential item that anyone might need when you live in a city, which is absolutely amazing. Other districts are the grid district, which basically hosts the mansions, the golf district that has 36 holes of golf, 18 to the west and 18 to the south. Then the last district is the 5th district that has the airport. The idea behind Mwale city was due to the closure of the Mumias sugar factory. The locals really depended on the sugar factory, and since it collapsed, the locals didn't have or could not afford their livelihoods. So Mr. Mwale decided to come up with an idea where you give your land in exchange, they build for you a house for retirement or for rentals, which you instead make extra money from the rentals or the houses that are built. The city has a warehouse that has some solar lights. Inside here there are like 1,500 solar lights that most of them go to donations to schools, and also among them are also placed all around the city. So far they have placed 3,500 solar lights around the whole city. The Hamptons in the New York is known for upscale services where the wealthy people go for vacations and to get the eat services. So the brand that is Hamptons is recognized globally, but it really didn't have any local existence in the East Africa. So that is why they used the Hamptons to name the Mwale city, just to give it that brand and recognition and class of its own. One of the main resources from Mwale city is the hospital. This is the Hamptons Hospital that has a 5,000 bed capacity, laboratories, a pharmacy, 19 departments that include the inpatient, outpatient, maternity, theater, both major and minor, and radiology that includes the CT and X-ray scan. So that is mind-blowing for just a hospital in a city built just recently. So they have partnered with other foundations like the Acoin, founded by Akon, the international singer from Ghana. So Acoin Foundation is like M-Pesa for digital money services, but unlike M-Pesa, which is expensive and transaction fees are high, this Acoin is used majorly to eliminate those fees and ease payment for the locals from Mwale city. The other partner is the Female Quotient, that is an organization that supports women empowerment, that specifically empowers women entrepreneurs and assists them, and it's a global organization that includes members like Michelle Obama and other first ladies around the world. So on to the industrial district that houses the solar power plant. This is where sunlight is converted to electricity and produces 10 megawatts. That is 4 to 5 hours of peak energy production. That is about 50,000 units per day or 50 hours a day. That is about 25 houses are fed with electricity every single day. This was absolutely mind-blowing for me, and it sits on 40 acres of land where we are at the moment, and 100 acres down the valley. So that is quite a huge size of land for just solar power. You can imagine how much they are saving from not doing the local national power. So that is amazing. Guys, if this is not sustainability, tell me what is, because I am personally mind blown. Like, you're providing your own energy and ditching the local national energy. This is way cool. This is way cool. So the next district we went to was the grid district that houses mainly the houses or the mansions where the locals will be settling at. So in this very district is where Miss Trudy and Wodemaya own houses here, which is mind-blowing also because the houses are very beautiful and very huge and very modern. They have a very modern taste of decoration and accessorizing, and you know, the whole structure is very modern, which is a very nice thing for a city. So this is so nice for Mwale city, and anyone can come buy a house here and move to this futuristic city that is doing wonders to this country. So this is Miss Trudy's house. She had never seen it before. She just knew she had an apartment here, but she had never been here, and she was mind blown more than we were, because you know it's hers and she didn't believe it, but it's just absolutely amazing. True. Oh, beautiful.
Dad, come and see. Let me see my house.
I have not just seen it. I've gone inside your house.
Can you believe it's my house?
It's pretty.
Can you believe it?
I can't.
This one?
Huh? Now I can.
Come is to see you.
We'll take you to Maya's apartment upstairs.
Yeah, but he said.
So I love the dining table. This is amazing. No, like
place rains heavily at around 4 or 5, and the rain is just about to come. You can see the clouds, so we're just running in the cars to avoid being rained on. But this is Trudy's and Wodemaya's house.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so after a busy day, we are finally back in the house at MMTC, and today we came to the main house. Today we came to the main house, which is Mr. Mwale's house, and I am about to blow your minds, guys. The way it blew my mind. Let's get blown together.
Yeah, it's for, we are at the Mwale Medical and Technology City, and this is the owner's residence. Tunafurahia sana kuwa hapa ndani. Kama na Mr. Wasa na the fire tuonyeshe tuko ndani.
So with all the resources readily available, building a house can even take a day. Okay, not a day, but probably a week. So this house was built in about 6 months. They broke ground at the end of 2014 and moved in July 2015. And the most amazing thing about it, they use their own water. They collect water, that is rainwater, off the roof, and they have a 1 million liter water tank to store that water. That could really take someone years to finish. So the other thing also about this house is that they are off-grid. They use the solar that we earlier on saw from the power plant, and they have a backup generator to use in case anything happens, or in case that day there's no sunlight. So the backup generator is basically for backup. So also the paintings, all the paintings and the artworks in this house are locally made. So that is a good thing, because that means they're supporting the local artists and hence growth of the community, which is a big kudos to Mwale City. So since it was Trudy's special day, she was given this whole room for herself. Yes, that's a one person's room. Yeah, so that is it, guys. We are heading for dinner after the house tour, and we had such a sumptuous meal for dinner, and we appreciate it. All thanks to Mwale Medical and Technology City. Thank you so much for your services. Thank you so much for everything you did for us. We really appreciate, and we hope for more growth for you guys, and all the best in all your plans and goals. This is the dining place. This is where we're having our dinner tonight, and I am so excited. This place is so marvelous. It's so big, and I'm just lost of words. I'm just lost of words. I mean, just look at this. Just look at this. Like, okay. So this is an appetizer. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Please leave me a comment and tell me, what should I do next? Where should I go? Tell me, give me ideas and also suggestions. But otherwise, I hope you guys watch my other videos, because I upload this for you guys to watch, and it's absolutely free. If you're bored, just come to Aurelia's Kitchen and watch all my videos. You will not regret, and try out my recipes also. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.